Top high ticket affiliate programs in 2021. Hi guys, today I'm telling you about top high ticket affiliate programs that can help you earn more than $17,000 per sale. So let's get started. So the first program that we have on our list is called Legendary Marketers. Now on Legendary Marketer, there are many affiliate programs that you can actually avail. They have different programs. Different programs on Legendary Marketer actually cost a different fee, and the good thing is that you'll have to pay that fee once, and then you will be able to earn a good amount of money per sale. So the most popular products for in Legendary Marketer are 15-day online business builder challenge, which costs $7 to buy. Then they have affiliate business blueprint, which costs $2,500 to buy. Then there is marketer mastermind, which costs $8,000 to buy. And then there is entrepreneur mastermind, which is $12,000 to buy. So once you buy any of these program and you volunteer yourself for the affiliate marketing, then you can actually earn more than $15,000 per sale. So you'll actually have to invest a little bit of money, but once you do that, then you will be able to earn a lot. So what happens is the basic affiliate marketers can earn up to 10 to 30% on Legendary Marketer, but if you are a pro, then you get 30 to 60% of the commission. So that's pretty amazing. And also pro affiliate marketers actually get avail all of these other features as well. You can go ahead and also take different e-courses if you want to. So yeah, Legendary Marketer actually gives you these high ticket commissions and high ticket affiliate marketing programs. High ticket affiliate marketing programs mean that any program that allows you to gain more than 50% of profit, in which you will actually be getting a good amount of commission. So that's how this works. Then we have another website which is called 4%. Now it is one of the most famous affiliate marketing programs out there, and you actually might have heard about 4% because it's pretty amazing and it's one of the top rated affiliate marketing programs out there. So what happens in 4% is there are many programs that you can avail. The most famous products are the affiliate marketing academy, which costs $19,000 to buy. Then there is internet traffic mastery, which is $19,097. Then there is a stage in which you can actually do the marketing for other products as well. It costs $97. And then there is mass traffic blueprint, which is free, in which you can actually learn about affiliate marketing, and you will be able to learn how this whole mass traffic blueprint works and how you can actually gain traffic to your site. So yeah, 4% in on 4%, most of the affiliate marketers are getting 10 to 30% of the commission, but if you are a pro, you can go up to 60. And it's actually pretty easy to, all of these programs are pretty easy. That's actually a good thing about 4%. It is also very beginners friendly. If you are looking for a market program in which you will be earning a good amount of commission, and they have different programs that you can actually, different products that you can actually do the affiliate marketing for and earn a good amount of commission. Next, we have multiple income funnel. Now, a multiple income funnel, as you can tell by the name, it's called multiple income funnel because there are four stream incomes, like more than one. And these four stream incomes, for example, in the first one, you actually get the 20% of the profit. And then in the second one, which is called the easy one up, in which you get actually $2,000 per sale. And then there is another source of income, like another stream of income, which is text messages, in which you actually do the affiliate marketing through text. So it allows you to earn up to $100 to $600 per sale. And then the fourth one is traffic authority, in which you actually bring traffic to your site and you do affiliate marketing through the traffic. So that actually helps you gain up to $3,000 per sale. So it's pretty amazing that there are like more than one incomes, and you can do whatever suits you. You can see right here, it's the review of Easy One Up. In Easy One Up, you have these different packages in which you can, you will get up to 2,000 in Easy One Up, and the last one actually pays up to $3,000 per sale. So that's pretty amazing. And as these programs increase and you become an expert in this, you have experience and you become a pro on multiple income funnel, then you will be able to earn up to $6,000 or $7,000 per sale. So that's pretty amazing, right? So yeah, go ahead and check out multiple income funnel. Next, we have cash flow affiliate marketing system. In this, you can actually earn up to 75% commission. So it's actually pretty high traffic affiliate marketing, in which you will be getting up to 75%. It is quite related to OPM, which I will be talking about next. So right here on the cash flow system affiliate marketing system, it has 4 programs, in which the first one is called Gold, which costs $3,000, but you can earn up to $1,500 per sale. Then there is Platinum, which costs $7,000, and it can help you earn up to $2,500 per sale. Then there is a program called Diamond, which costs $14,000, and you can earn up to $7,000 per sale. And then there is Royal, which costs $21,000, and you can earn up to $2,500 per sale. So that's pretty amazing. If you have money to invest, then you can go ahead and check out this program, and it's pretty amazing. And I have seen people using this program and earning a good amount of money. So yeah, cash flow affiliate marketing is an awesome opportunity for you to earn money. Then we have OPM. Now OPM is my personal favorite because OPM involves commissions in cryptocurrency. That's actually pretty amazing, and we know cryptocurrency is the future. And if you know that the pricing of crypto, how it increases, and it can really help you invest in something good, so that's why that OPM will be a good choice for you. So what happens on OPM is that you get up to 60% of the commissions. That's pretty amazing. Then there are different programs. So there is 2-tier commission, means that in 2-tier affiliate marketing, what you do is you hire somebody, and for example you sign somebody up for the program, and then they will be doing the work and you will be earning the commission. So you earn without doing anything, and you get up to 10 to 20%, which is a very good amount. So you can earn through that as well on OPM. And there are different levels to it, and as the levels increase, which actually these levels vary from, if we're talking about buying, then it could be from $1,000 to $3,000. And when we talk about earning, we can earn up to $6,000 per sale in OPM, and the commissions are also paid in crypto. So that's pretty amazing. You can save it, or if you want to invest it, you can go ahead and do that as well. And it is an amazing and very easy affiliate marketing programs can be found here on OPM. So yeah, if you're looking for a good affiliate marketing program that will help you earn more than $6,000 per sale or up to $17,000, then I think it's a pretty good option. So yeah guys, I think that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. All of these affiliate marketing programs have the ability to help you gain up to $10,000 per sale, and that's pretty amazing. I hope that you will be able to do the affiliate marketing yourself as well. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.